Okay, so here we have a custom built dual compressor chiller plant, 40 tons. We have titanium shell and tube condensers, semi-hermetic compressors, redundant pump systems with their shut-off valves so you can switch between pumps. We got stainless steel evaporator, transducers so we can accurately tell pressures of the system. We have a transducer for the chew water pressure, so the system can also monitor the chew water loop pressure digitally. And we also have a analog gauge here so we can read the chew water pressure. We have a mechanical safety stat on top of all the electronic stats and safeties, just in case as a backup. And we can remote monitor this unit from anywhere in the world. We can tap into it and know exactly what your system is doing, and if there's any issues, we can help diagnose the system from anywhere in the world. This one was custom built for Numarine Yachts. It's going in one of their spectacular vessels, and it's another piece of equipment that we built at Flow Marine Systems. We are here at the Palm Beach Boat Show. If you're a builder or if you're planning on building a custom yacht, you need to come check this plant out.